Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an eye-opening topic, cigarettes. Ever wondered about their journey from the factory to your hands, and what impact they have on your health and the world around you? Stick around to find out. It all starts in the fields. Tobacco plants are grown and harvested by farmers. Once the leaves are picked, they're cured and dried. This process can take weeks and is crucial for developing the flavor of the tobacco. After curing, the leaves are processed and blended in factories. This mixture is then rolled into cigarette papers, along with additives to enhance flavor and shelf life. Finally, the cigarettes are packaged and shipped to stores around the world. But what happens once a cigarette is lit? The burning tobacco releases over 7,000 chemicals, many of which are harmful. Smoking is linked to a range of serious health issues, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. Chemicals in cigarette smoke can damage your lungs, cause heart disease, and lead to various cancers. It's not just the smoker who suffers. Secondhand smoke can affect everyone around them. The environmental impact of cigarettes is also significant. Each year, billions of cigarette butts end up as litter, polluting our oceans and waterways. These butts contain toxic chemicals that can harm wildlife and ecosystems. Luckily, there are efforts to combat this pollution. Organizations and volunteers are working hard to clean up and raise awareness about the environmental damage caused by cigarettes. Understanding the journey of a cigarette helps us make more informed choices. If you're thinking about quitting smoking, remember that there are resources and support available to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay healthy and see you next time.